Hi guys, welcome back to my amazing kitchen. My name is Abba. In today's video, we are cooking some amazingly delicious spicy coconut rice. So let's go over the ingredients and get right into the video. I'll be using 1 can of coconut milk, diced onion, scallions or green onion, and my sauce from my previous video. So kindly check out that video for this sauce. For my rice, I'll be using jasmine rice, but basmati rice or any long grain rice will work. So in my pan here over a medium heat, I'm going to add about 1 tablespoon of oil and then go ahead and add my diced onion once hot and ready. Do not overdo the oil because the sauce has oil in it as well. You want to go ahead and fry your onions until very soft and translucent, and then go ahead and add about 3 to 4 tablespoons of our sauce. The sauce is packed with amazing flavors, so you want to be generous with it so that your rice will be very flavorful. Fry the sauce together with the onions for about some 3 to 4 minutes and then go ahead and add your rice. Today I'm choosing not to wash my rice, but you can wash your rice if you prefer. It will not affect the recipe in any way. Once you add the rice, you are going to toast the rice in the sauce for about 3 to 4 minutes. Toasting the rice this way will give you a very perfect texture and make it single grainy when cooked. Now go ahead and add your canned coconut milk. Fresh coconut milk is even better. Stir the coconut milk to loosen it up and to combine it with the rice. This will give you a good indication of how much water you should add. Kindly check out the description box down below for all the ingredients and their measurements. Now you want to go ahead and taste and then adjust your seasoning if necessary. I just added a little bit of salt. Remember, the sauce is already seasoned and packed with flavors. Finally, I'm going to add 1 Scotch bonnet on top of my rice, cover and allow this to cook on a medium heat for about 15 to 20 minutes. After about 15 to 20 minutes, the moisture would have evaporated but not completely, so you are going to stir gently to fluff the rice and to turn it so it cooks evenly. But make sure not to bruise the Scotch bonnet so that it doesn't open up and make your rice overly spicy than you would want it to be. Now cover with some parchment paper to trap in the steam and allow this to cook on low-medium heat for about another 10 to 15 minutes or until your rice is completely cooked. And here we are. This is about 15 minutes later, and now I come back to check on the rice and the rice is perfectly cooked. So I fluff once again and then remove the Scotch bonnet from the rice so I don't bruise it. To finish off my rice before serving, I'm going to add a generous amount of some scallions or green onions and then stir that in as well. And once we stir it in, our delicious spicy coconut rice is ready to be served. The rice is amazingly delicious on its own, but you can still pair it with any protein or vegetables of your choice. If you enjoyed this recipe, kindly give me a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to become part of the amazing family. I truly hope that you give this spicy coconut recipe a try. So until I come your way next time with another amazingly delicious recipe, thank you so much for watching guys, and see you in my next video. Bye!